just a reminder, below the video is all the information about this video, be it the music, the equipment I use, also a little bit about the actual video itself. Up in the top left hand corner there will be videos related to this video. Also, if you check out my playlist on my channel, I've got loads of videos on there, guys. Please check it out. Now, if you want to fund me, which would be fantastic, below the video in the description there'll be two links. One is for buy me a coffee, which is most appreciated, but also you can buy a t-shirt, which will look like this. The other thing is, what's the other thing? The other thing is, guys, you've got to subscribe. If you like the stuff, yeah, please subscribe. Comments are fantastic. Ring the bell. That's a handy. That won't make you forget, because I always say, guys, at the end of my videos, you've got to keep watching or you're going to miss something. Anyway, you can go back and enjoy the video now. But yeah, keep watching. So today's Friday the 13th of March. And we're looking at abandoned things. I'm not gonna just look at one thing, I'm gonna look at a few things. I'm going down towards Aguilas, which is not too far away from where I live. It's a lovely day. Now apparently next week we got, I think it's just gone past turning. We got 3 days of rain next week, so I'm making this my sort of last day out for a bit. And obviously what else is going on at the moment as well, the corona thing. So hope you enjoy the vid, and yeah, let's see what we can find. I did notice last year that there's going to be a new building project just there. Apartments looking out over the sea. You've got the sales office just down there on the road. We're looking around to Aguilas now. Just probably make out the camera's a bit high then. Hopefully you can see the metal pier down at Aguilas, so it's not too far away. Now I've come here for a couple of years. For some reason they built this there, I think to make it look like a castle, because there's some posh apartments the other side of this. But yeah, this is being earmarked to be built on. Now I did notice on their sales sites, if you put your money down now, you get a little bit cheaper. But to be honest, at the moment, nothing's going on, and this is March the 13th of 2020. So we'll be keeping an eye on it, just to see if anything does happen. So I come over to the other side of the gardens thinking, well, at least it would be nice and tidy over here. You've got some lovely structures there, but no, I was wrong. Looks like I let this garden go to pot as well. All overgrown. I think even some of the trees don't even looked after properly. Such a shame because it would have been a nice park. I don't understand why they've left it here. So this is the old railway track that runs up towards the metal pier at Aguilas. They've turned it into sort of a walkway come bicycle track. So we're just going up this way.